Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a 2023 Aviara AV36. Starting off with the transom, this boat is powered with triple V8 300 horsepower Mercury Verados with joystick. Full walk-through transom on this boat with sea deck throughout. Here we have the aft-facing lounger. So 3 individual seats that can form a nice long sunbed when everything's in the down position. But these cushions actually ratchet upright to form individual backrests. And these headrests actually all raise to create a second row of elevated seating. So you have stadium style seating back here that can seat 3 couples. Everybody has an elevated perspective of the water. If you've got young kids hanging out in the water, you can see them to make sure they're safe. And then everything just comes back down. There's cup holders on both sides, 6 in total. There's storage beneath the center and starboard seats. You've also got your outboard flush, freshwater fill, freshwater sprayer. And then beneath the port side, you have your battery switches, shore power connections, and all of this is drained. As we enter the boat, we have courtesy lighting right here, so we can have the boat illuminated when we board. Dedicated fender storage beneath this locker. Further forward into the cockpit, we have the gourmet wet bar option that you see here. So standard wet bar configuration includes the sink and the bottle storage. The upgrade converts this from an aft-facing seat to additional utility space. So here we have the single grill configuration with a single fridge, along with storage on either side. So we've got a glove box / cooler box here that's drained, and then a cabinet for storage as well here. There's also 3 cup holders located right here, and we have a trash receptacle behind this hatch. Panning around to the L-shaped seating area, lots of expansive seating on this boat with a lot of storage beneath. All of the storage is continued, so you can put very long items in here, such as the stanchions for the bow shade on this boat. There's also a designated space for another trash receptacle that you can also access behind this door, so you don't have to displace a passenger. You'll notice this is a really heavy-duty material. This is billet aluminum, which you'll see throughout the boat. Here you have several cup holders and charging phone chargers that hold your phone. Built-in speakers as part of the Klipsch sound system are nicely tied in for a really modern look. There's fuel fills on both sides of the boat. They go to a single fuel tank. Further forward here, we have a pull-out portable cooler. This backrest can adjust to face either direction, so you can either face aft or you can face forward, and it does have an adjustable thigh-rise bolster. Lots of shade with this boat with this massive hardtop. We have speakers built in, hardtop lights as well. The lighting on this boat is RGB, so you can do multiple colors. Coming up to the helm, we've got a double-wide helm seat with adjustable bolsters. Very comfortable to sit in, both as the driver and as an observer. Triple screen set up here at the helm. The port side screen is designated for lights, pumps, switches, accessories, including the aft sure shade for the hardtop. Center screen, along with your sound system as well. Centered screen will be your navigation and sonar, and also has the ability to show engine data. Third screen is just a smaller version of that center SIMRAD unit, but is really intended to have engine data pulled up at all times. We also have trim tabs with indicators here, another charging port for your phone, VHF radio, This boat has cup holders down below, just below the ignition keys. And then, as I mentioned before, the joystick is standard on all Aviaras. Nice little feature on the 36. There's a fold-down step, really heavy duty. But if you're shorter and you want to be able to sit down on the bolster and still have your legs touching, not dangling, you have an extra platform there. This boat does have a cabin with an enclosed head. This is an air-conditioned space. There's a TV to the port side, along with a sound bar and microwave. You can extend the berth further aft by dropping a table down and covering it with a filler cushion. Distribution panel is on the starboard side behind the cabinetry. We do have a wet head with a pull-out sprayer on the sink. And C-deck flooring in there as well. Magnetic catch on the door will hold this door open. Big, heavy, solid door. Coming forward to the bow, we do have the ability to block off this space from the cockpit with this block-off door. That locks into place, and then we can close the windshield, and we can separate the cockpit from the bow on cooler running days to keep wind from cutting through the cockpit. And then further forward here, really deep bow seating up front, high backrests and bolsters, billet aluminum grab rails, cup holders throughout, 8 in total, charging ports. There's a stereo remote up in the bow on the port side as well. And again, integrated speakers up here, both above and below the seating. There's also storage beneath the port and starboard seat. Starboard seat functions as another cooler. It's finished and drained. And then you do have an enclosed windlass anchor forward with remote control in addition to the controls you have at the dash, along with a wash down here. That's a look at the AV36 from Aviara. Again, my name is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any interest in this boat, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.